That's how the male quail grow. It's the bantam. It's a male quail. Just turn on the lights on. They're still processing, I guess.